When thinking about cryptocurrency, one powerful fact stands clear. Crypto is best approached as a long-term investment. Historically, we've relied on gold, real estate, and fiat currencies to preserve our wealth. But today, cryptocurrencies, especially Bitcoin, are reshaping the definition of value preservation. Over the past decade, Bitcoin has consistently outperformed traditional stores of value, highlighting its effectiveness as a long-term investment. Unlike traditional currencies, Bitcoin has a fixed supply of 21 million coins. This scarcity creates strong protection against inflation, making it a leading store of value. By adopting a long-term holding strategy, known as hodling, investors protect themselves against market volatility and maximize their potential gains. While traditional currencies gradually lose purchasing power due to inflation, Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies offer a deflationary alternative, increasing in value over time. Embrace cryptocurrency as a vital component of your long-term investment strategy. Secure your financial future with an asset designed to thrive across decades. Subscribe and follow for more insightful crypto investing strategies.